Walpar Nutritions Limited, a vertically integrated herbal nutraceutical products manufacturing company having facilities in western parts of India, Gujarat. The company manufactures various private label third-party brands to different companies across the country and overseas, as well own brand sales through online and direct selling model. Let us see the making of nutraceutical and sports nutritions. Once the initial quality check of raw material pass, it enters the building for storage. There are dedicated spaces for separate vitamins and flavors, sugars as well, for the material which required to maintain atmospheric conditions. All atmospheric conditions are maintained for long-term storage by the company's well-maintained heat ventilation and air-conditioned system. The water used in products are purified with the facility DM water plant. So with two main parts, air and water perfected, the process of production now begins. First step is dispensing the raw material. All raw material are dispensed under the laminar airflow. After the dispensing, the premix preparation of vitamins and minerals ensures mixing and blending subsequently with the help of various blenders for tablets and capsule as well for liquid preparations. Quality check at every step of the production process with the help of stringent IPQC protocols. Then the final filling and sealing is done. A separate place to store the finished products also helps to dispatch the products timely to the customer. Our dedicated team and staff members are our strength. Walpar is going public. Nutritions Limited.